Ever wondered about the hidden gems in Bali that only locals know about? Well, brace yourself as we unravel the top 10 secret spots in Bali untouched by mainstream tourism. We're not talking about your typical tourist destinations. Instead, we're venturing off the beaten path to discover Bali's best-kept secrets. These are places where tranquility reigns, where authenticity is palpable, and where unique experiences await. From hidden waterfalls and secret gardens to lesser-known beaches and temples submerged underwater, each of these locations promises a piece of Bali that remains pure and unspoiled. These are the places that allow you to truly connect with the heart and soul of this beautiful island. So forget the crowded hotspots, the overpriced souvenirs, and the long queues. It's time to explore Bali as you've never seen it before. So, are you ready to embark on this extraordinary journey? Let's dive into our countdown. Starting our countdown at number 10 is the secret gardens of Sambangan, a true paradise for nature lovers. Nestled in the northern part of Bali, Sambangan is a village with an enchanting secret, its hidden garden. This lush green sanctuary is a haven of tranquility, boasting 7 stunning waterfalls and a plethora of flora and fauna. The garden's natural beauty is simply breathtaking, with verdant landscapes and crystal-clear waters that will leave you in awe. But it's not just about the views. For the adrenaline junkies, there's plenty to do. You may choose to embark on a waterfall jumping adventure or slide down natural slides formed by the cascading water. If you're more into relaxation, you can take a leisurely stroll through the garden, soak in the serene atmosphere, or even meditate by the waterfalls. No matter what your preference, the secret gardens of Sambangan offers an unforgettable experience. This secret garden is a perfect blend of thrill and tranquility, away from the hustle and bustle. At number 9, we have the stunning Nung Nung Waterfall, one of Bali's most beautiful yet least visited waterfalls. Nestled deep within Bali's picturesque heartland, Nung Nung is a site that truly captures the island's natural grandeur. The journey to reach this magnificent spectacle is an adventure in itself, a trek down a winding, verdant path that feels like a descent into a tropical paradise. Along the way, the melodious sounds of nature serenade you, making the journey as enchanting as the destination. Once there, you're rewarded with the mesmerizing sight of the waterfall. It cascades from a height of 50 meters, creating a frothy white curtain of water that crashes into the pool below, casting a fine mist into the air. The untouched surroundings and the raw energy of the falling water make for a sublime experience, one that echoes with tranquility and the pure magic of nature. The Nung Nung Waterfall is a hidden gem that offers a peaceful retreat. Coming in at number 8 is the Tirta Empul Temple, a significant but often overlooked spiritual site in Bali. Nestled amidst verdant hills and bubbling springs, this temple is steeped in history and spiritual significance. Tirta Empul, translated as Holy Water Spring, is believed to be created by the god Indra and has been a place of Balinese Hindu worship since 926 AD. The temple is renowned for its unique water purification ritual. Visitors are invited to immerse themselves in the sacred pools, each filled with koi and fed by 30 water spouts. As you progress from one spout to the next, you are not simply taking a dip, but participating in a centuries-old ceremony of self-cleansing and rebirth. As you step out of the crystalline waters, you may feel a sense of peace washing over you, a renewed energy pulsating through your veins. This is more than just a visit. It's an experience, an immersion into the spiritual heart of Bali. Tirta Empul is a spiritual journey that leaves you with a sense of peace and renewed energy. Number 7 on our list is Yepulu, an archaeological wonder etched in stone. This gem, nestled in the heart of Bali, is a testament to the island's rich history and cultural heritage. What makes Yepulu extraordinary is its collection of ancient rock carvings, a mystery that continues to bewitch historians and visitors alike. These carvings, believed to date back to the 14th century, depict scenes of everyday life, offering a tantalizing peek into Bali's storied past. Yet, despite their age and significance, the origins and the stories they tell remain shrouded in mystery, adding to the allure of Yepulu. But Yepulu isn't just about the carvings, it's also about the serene ambiance surrounded by lush rice fields. The site offers a peaceful escape from the hustle and bustle of Bali's more popular destinations. Yepulu offers a unique glimpse into Bali's past, away from the usual touristy spots. So, Next time you're in Bali, don't forget to add this hidden gem to your itinerary. Coming in at number 6 is Balian Beach, a surfer's paradise. Nestled on the west coast of Bali, this beach is a gem for those who crave a bit of adventure and tranquility. Its uniqueness lies in its alluring black sand beaches, lending an otherworldly charm to the landscape. The surf conditions at Balian Beach are simply excellent. Waves roll in from the Indian Ocean, providing the perfect playground for both professional and novice surfers. The beach holds a relaxed vibe that makes it a favorite among travelers looking to escape the hustle and bustle of more commercial beaches. But the splendor of Balian Beach is not restricted to the daytime. As the sun begins to set, the sky transforms into a spectacle of colors, painting a breathtaking backdrop for the dark sands and crystalline waters. Balian Beach is a haven for those seeking solitude, surf, and sunsets. This is one secret spot in Bali that truly offers a slice of paradise. Halfway through our list at number 5 is the Pemutaran Underwater Temple, a unique underwater experience. This is no ordinary temple. It's an underwater wonder that lies beneath the serene waves of the Pemutaran Beach in North Bali. A magical world, it's home to the Temple Garden, a breathtaking spectacle that combines spirituality with nature conservation. Created with the intention of promoting coral conservation, the Temple Garden is a testament to Bali's commitment to preserving its rich marine biodiversity. It's a living, breathing art piece where stone statues and traditional Balinese structures coexist harmoniously with vibrant coral reefs. The underwater temple offers a unique experience, a chance to explore an enchanting world beneath the waves. Whether you are a seasoned diver or a snorkeling enthusiast, you will be captivated by the beauty that lies beneath. The temple's intricate designs, teeming with marine life, provide a truly immersive encounter with nature like no other. The Pemutaran Underwater Temple is an underwater adventure you wouldn't want to miss. At number 4, we have the Sidemen Road, one of Bali's most scenic routes. Nestled in the eastern part of this tropical paradise, this captivating route is not just a path, but a journey into the heart of traditional Balinese life. As you traverse this winding road, you'll find yourself immersed in the breathtaking landscapes of lush green rice terraces. These sprawling fields, meticulously maintained, are a testament to the age-old farming practices still prevalent in this region. Beyond the verdant fields, the Sidemen Road offers glimpses of the timeless Balinese culture. Observe the local villagers as they go about their daily routines, whether it's tending to the fields or weaving intricate patterns into traditional fabrics. The simplicity of life here is a stark, yet beautiful contrast to the bustling tourist spots. Every turn on the Sidemen Road reveals a new vista, a fresh perspective on the untouched beauty that Bali has to offer. Sidemen Road is a picturesque drive that takes you through the heart of Bali's untouched beauty. Securing the third spot in our countdown is Tukad Sepong Waterfall, a hidden waterfall in a cave. Nestled deep within the heart of Bali, this waterfall is a testament to nature's whimsical beauty. The location, secluded and untouched, is a hidden gem that waits to be discovered. The journey to the waterfall is a thrilling adventure in itself, a trek through the dense Balinese forest, leading you to the unique cave setting. Once inside the cave, you are greeted by the sound of cascading water echoing off the cave walls, creating a symphony of nature's music. The waterfall, hidden within the cave, is a sight to behold, but the true magic begins when the sun is at its zenith. Sun rays sneak through the opening of the cave, illuminating the waterfall and creating a spectacle of light and shadow. The rays dance on the water surface, making the entire cave glisten and sparkle. Tukad Sepong Waterfall offers a truly magical experience, unlike any other. Just missing the top spot at number 2 are the breathtaking Jatilui rice terraces. Nestled in the heart of Bali, these terraces are more than just a sight to behold. They are a living, breathing testament to the island's rich cultural heritage. This enchanting landscape, with its emerald green hues stretching as far as the eye can see, is no ordinary farmland. It's a UNESCO World Heritage Site, recognized for its traditional Subak irrigation system, a centuries-old cooperative water management practice. Beyond its stunning beauty, Jatilui offers an atmosphere of tranquility that's hard to come by. the soft rustling of the wind through the rice stalks, the distant calls of local wildlife, the serene rhythm of daily life in the surrounding villages, it all comes together to create an experience that's as peaceful as it is picturesque. So whether you're a nature lover or a culture enthusiast, the Jatiluwih Rice Terraces have something to offer. Jatiluwih Rice Terraces are a testament to Bali's natural and cultural beauty. And finally, our number one hidden gem in Bali is the spectacular Sikumpul Waterfalls. Nestled deep within the verdant jungles of northern Bali, Sikumpul is a collection of 7 stunning cascades that create a spectacle unlike any other. To reach this hidden paradise, you'll embark on a scenic trek that traverses dense forests, rustic villages, and lush rice terraces, all the while accompanied by the symphony of nature's sounds. Once you arrive, the breathtaking sight of the waterfalls cascading from heights as high as 80 meters will make every step of the journey worthwhile. The misty veil of the falls against the backdrop of the emerald green forest creates a scene straight out of a dream. The raw power and beauty of the falls, combined with the tranquility of the surrounding nature, is a sight to behold. The Sikumpul waterfalls, with their raw beauty and majestic views, are indeed Bali's best-kept secret. So when are you planning your Bali adventure to uncover these hidden gems?